Well, the reason I first started drinking was with friends, um, just to go to parties. So when I started drinking, I was always a nervous, shy kind of person. So when I drank, it gave me that false sense of confidence and feeling of belonging with other people. With the shyness, it gave me that confidence to be able to interact with people at parties or talk to girls. As a 14-year-old boy, you just want to be able to talk to girls, and that's pretty much the main thing you think about. But when I first tried drinking, it made me not shy anymore. It made me not nervous anymore. It made me not feel anxious or have a feeling of being depressed because I was always shy and I never could connect with people. So it gave me that false sense that I could talk to people, that I could interact with people socially, that I could go out and do things without having that anxiety. Because before, if I wasn't drinking or I wasn't smoking, I had that deep anxiety where I wouldn't even want to leave the house, or I wouldn't want to do any activities after school that didn't involve drugs or alcohol. I could say when I first took the first drink or first time I smoked pot, that it gave me the feeling that I've never felt before in my life. So I always wanted that feeling. I didn't want that feeling to go away, which is a big, huge red flag. So progressed down the line, when I first tried my drug of choice, which was opiates with pills, that gave me the feeling that I've never, ever, ever felt before in my entire life. Much more than alcohol or pot or tobacco or anything like that. And that's what really led to a full-blown addiction, because I couldn't, not only did I not want to have it, I physically couldn't not have it. It turned into wanting it with alcohol and pot to needing it with opiates, because I couldn't, that became the norm for me. I would say in the beginning, people that are drinking or smoking pot, that you have to watch out for why you need or want to continuously do that. If it makes you feel a different way of getting out of your own skin, then most likely you will become dependently addicted, and the pathways that you choose are going to be some very long, dark roads. And also with the company that you keep, with the friends that you choose, that can play a big part too in the beginning. You want to get out of yourself, that you want to feel different, and those drugs make you feel that way. And as soon as you get that sense that there's other kind of substances that will make you feel a way that you want to feel, that it could potentially lead into something much more serious. And it really comes down to life or death at the end of the day. Peer pressure, you just want to be able to fit in. You want to be able to be part of a group in high school, or you see kids that are popular and you want to be like them, or you want people to like you. So just be aware of the company that you keep, yeah, it's all about the company that you keep and the friends that you make decisions with, and